Good morning, boys and girls. Today is March 31st, 2020. Happy Tuesday. For today's attendance assignment, submit your name along with the title of your favorite song. Submit your response in the portfolio section under attendance. Instead of posting each subject as its own post in the class story, I'm going to submit one document with all of your work for today. I hope this will be helpful for you to keep track of your assignments. You will have until 2:30 p.m. to complete all of your assignments. Make sure to complete the activities for each subject on the portfolios page, and remember to check your activities after you submit your work for comments. As a reminder, it's very important that you watch all of the lessons before completing the assignments. They include very important information that will help you complete your work. We will be available to answer any questions, comment on your work, or respond to messages until 2:30 p.m. But we will not be answering during lunch, which is from 12:45 to 1:35. Be on the lookout for the assignment folder. Have a great day.